Not doing much riding today. It's a cold one in Colorado. So I figured, come out here to the garage and I'd show the XTC turn signal kit. Now that's over here. So there's the kit. And the part numbers. I have the vertical turn signal style. And the neat thing about this is that it integrates your rear turn signals. Basically the wiring harness goes in there. Uses your rear turn signals. There's a module that mounts underneath the dash cover. I won't be able to show that with the windshield in place, otherwise I'd just remove it and show it. Alright. So there with the wiring. So I have it coming out there. Normally you'd go through the grommet. However, I have so much crap going through there. Got the wiring coming in through there. Got your junction box. Mounted my horn there. The instructions mentioned mounting it over here. However, I think that's more for the XP1000 version and not so much for the turbo. So however, my horn is over there. All the wiring. Now there's two different ways to mount this. Starting at the rear of the machine. Like I said, you got your wiring harness that integrates into the factory. So coming down here, there's two different ways to do it. You can go through the tunnel, or you can follow the brake lines underneath the skid plate. And I chose to follow the brake lines through the skid plate. That will come up right there. And it follows it up. Comes up right there. Goes to the module, which is underneath the dash cover. And then of course you have your turn signals. Wiring there and there. And there you see one of the LEDs. There and there. Now some kits will have two, so they'll mount like another one, say here, and then they also have the side one. But that one's plenty bright. I think it works just fine. Hopefully that's okay for Moab. I'll put an accessory mode. So with the turbo you have knockouts that you can use for the switches. So there's the hazard and horn. And then there's the actual turn signal. So of course right turn signal, left turn signal. Your hazards. Horn. So as I was mentioning, that system utilizes your factory tail lights. And of course you have the front LEDs. Now, really easy system to install. Doesn't take but a few minutes to do. Since you're utilizing the factory harness in the back, you're running the cable down through the skid plate, and then you're just coming up. The module mounts onto a cross member underneath the dash cover. A couple self-tapping screws. Wire everything in. Install your switches and the knockouts, and you're golden. Really easy kit. Again, I'll show the box here. XTC Power Products. And there's the part numbers. I have the vertical switch model. Now you probably could do like a DIY with some flasher modules, some LEDs, some wiring. Find a horn from somewhere and a couple switches. Maybe 50-60 bucks. But it's really nice that it utilizes the factory taillights. Really nice. So again, really easy install. Super easy. Figure out how to highlight that on this cold Colorado day. Looks like I already got to shovel snow again. That's how it goes around here. I should probably do an update video on the F-150. Currently has 65,000 miles on it. But yeah, there you go. This is Bullitt Outdoors in the Bullitt Garage. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like what I do, subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.